Now, an electrician, residential, commercial, or in my case, industrial, needs the proper tools of the trade to ensure a smooth, safe, and sturdy, long-lasting application. Safety is the key on any job site regarding any type of trade. But in the electrical trade, enhanced safety and avid safe thinking are essential. Number one, being safe. 2, thinking. Think. If you're an electrician, you know you have to think. And number 3, resorting back to step 1, be safe. Safety is the key. Wire of various sizes is needed, whether housed in cable tray, conduit, basket tray, and etc. Wiring is key to getting from point A to point B. Wiring is essential. From getting to point A to point B, you need wire. That wire is then put into conduit, known as pipe. On this particular job, a rigid conduit was used, along with various multiple electrical fittings. In this case here, we're looking at a 2-inch TB form fitting. Multiple junction boxes, known as J boxes, are needed to house wiring, whether for terminations and makeups and the specific junction boxes, or used as pull points to hit other positions throughout plants, mills, refineries, etc., resulting in a safe, sturdy electrical application. Now, when combining the conduit and junction boxes together, structurally applied and supported to I-beams and cable trays, that wire initially talked about can be ran and housed through multiple racks of conduit on various jobs. These multiple racks of conduit house signal, control, and power wiring, and sometimes go for thousands of feet throughout tunnels of plants, as well as exposed out in the open on big jobs. At any rate, safety is essential, for at any moment, the wrong footing or mishandling of a guardrail could cost a man his life. Therefore, proper harnesses and lanyards are required when working 6 feet and above. Structural grounding is essential on plants, refineries, mills, mini mills, etc. This lug here is attached to a ground wire and tightened down. These ground wires are then applied to the back of conduit junction boxes and frames to ensure 100% grounding of facilities, plants, mills, compressor stations, etc. On this particular job, I-beams throughout the plant were drilled with a 1/2-inch bit, then a proper sized tap was drilled into the pre-drilled hole, providing the proper threading for the proper size servant post according to the National Electrical Code and Construction of Safety ground wire size, where the ground wire then could be tightened down, providing proper grounding. Now, whether it's a ground fault interrupter next to a kitchen sink or next to a sink in a bathroom, to a huge industrial facility, grounding is essential, providing the proper grounding for slide gates, limit switches, motors, lighting, etc. Various devices throughout plants all need wiring and proper grounding. These various instruments, as well as limit switches, slide gates, motors, and devices, are usually ran with analog and discrete wiring, whether an individual switch or understanding combination switches in detail. As well as understanding a common receptacle. Understanding combination switch details and common receptacles can help an electrician understand blueprint reading, as well as enhance and make easier an electrical application. An electrician knows note-taking is valuable. A pen and a notepad is worth millions on a job site. Understanding a second miler mentality. serving the Lord Yahawashi, Bashem Rakah Kwadash. All glory to Yahweh. For failure is no option for the second miler's mentality. Most people will go the extra mile, but remember, try and be a second miler. One who renders more and better service than for what one is paid for or asked. At work, the second miler wins. An excitable patience. Very excited about this work I'm getting ready to do today, but exercising extreme patience, keeping my focus, my eyes upon the goal. Preparation. Yeah, there may be pain. Get prepared. You need a second mile mentality. Repeat after me. I am God's chosen vessel in Mashiach Yahawashi. Mahaler back, you heard me? Special blessings to the Greater Millstone Doctrine.